Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will talk about big data. What is big data? We will see its definition. So let's begin. Big data. Big data means extremely large and complex sets of data that are too big to be processed or analyzed easily with traditional data processing tools. These datasets come from many sources and grow very quickly. For examples, social media posts, likes, and comments from millions of users, online shopping transactions, GPS location data from smartphones, and video data uploaded to platforms like YouTube.